In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make friends in Sneaky Sasquatch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to have friends in Sneaky Sasquatch is to call them from your friend's book. So, when you talk to someone, they will appear under your friend's book like so. You will be able to see their name, their location, and finally their phone number. Whenever you tap the quick dial option, you will be able to call them and invite them to hang out. The services they offer will be unavailable for the time being, however, you will be able to talk and interact with them. As soon as you talk to them, you will befriend them more and more. You can do this as many times as you want with as many friends as you have on your friends book. So, all you have to do is walk up to them in the overworld. Let's say you want to be friends with the backpack salesman. Talk to him and call him from your phone friends book. Every time you call someone, you will be able to befriend them and talk to them. And you, like I said, you can do this with every single NPC in the game. Some of the NPCs will initially decline to hang out with you, saying they need to know you better, so all you have to do is impress them with activities. For example, you need to become the mayor to make 3 mayor advisors your friends. As long as you impress them by some way or another related to their activities, you will be able to befriend all of them. I hope I was able to help you on how to make friends in Sneaky Sasquatch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.